Guess who? You miss me? Jessica Simpson, sing the chorus.
When you walked through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star, baby. Everybody wants you. Who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
Back by popular demand, now pop a little Zantac for antacid if you can. You're ready to tackle any task that is at hand. How does it feel? Is it fantastic? Is it grand? Well, look at all the massive masses in the stands. Shady man, no, don't massacre the fans. Damn, I think Kim Kardashian's a man. She stopped him just cause he asked to put his hands on a massive Gluteus Maximus again. Squeeze it in, switch it and pass it to a friend. Can he come back as nasty as he can? Yes, he can, don't ask me this again. He does not mean the lesbian offend. But Lindsay, please come back to seeing men. Samantha's a 2, you're practically a 10. I know you want me, girl, in fact, I see a grin. Now come in, girl.
Through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star, baby. Everybody wants you. Who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
The enforcer, looking for more women to torture. Welcome to the cutest girl in Charlie Horser. Sorry, Portia, but what's Ellen DeGeneres? Have that I go. Are you telling me tenderness? Well, I can be as gentle and as smooth as a gentleman. Give me my Ventolin inhaler and 2 Xenadrin, and I'll invite Sarah Palin out to dinner then. Nail her, baby, say hello to my little friend. Brit, forget Cape and let's cut up the men. Forget him or you're gonna end up in the hospital again. And this